I'm in court because my tenants, they took me to court that I am threatening their life.
Hello, amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video and how are you doing today. All more things they happen for this country. In fact, Nigerian slogan supposed to be new day, new story, because what is this? Why is it Fayose, that popular businessman that likes to talk on Instagram and the junior brother to former Ekiti State Governor Ayodele Fayose has come to share his wonderful experience with the tenant in Abuja. Baba was practically lamenting because his tenants took him to court. The story is actually mind-blowing because can you believe his tenants took him to court after they have refused to pay 3 years rent? According to Mr. Fayose, about 25 people occupying 24 flats and a restaurant in his estate in Abuja owe him about 287 million naira in rent. And instead of these people paying this rent, they team up and they file a lawsuit against him that he is threatening their lives. And this is him telling his story in this video.
Early morning today, I'm in court. Abuja zone 6. I'm in court because my tenants, they took me to court that I am threatening their life. Threat to life. For nothing where I no do. They've been living in my house, over 25 of them, living in the estate for the past 3 years. They are owing rents of 287 million. Imagine almost 24 flats, a restaurant, owing that much in a prime area in Abuja. 3 years they've been hiding in court. And because our judiciary is weak, they are getting away with everything. So they are getting their adjournment, and even me, we, the owner of the house, we have spent nothing less than 48 million in different court cases with tenants, about 5 different courts for the past 3 years. How many lawyers will I have? Appearance fee, solicitor fee, this fee, service fee. Can you see how wicked we are in Africa? We blame our leaders. Those people, imagine this estate, if that is what I'm using to feed my family, you sure say I no go don't get stroke? God, Motaka Oshidano. The system doesn't encourage investors to come in. The system in Nigeria chase away investors. And it's not only Tinubu, our judiciary too. They are helping matters. SAN, lawyers, they are helping matters. Everybody join in the problem we are having in our country. Imagine for 3 years now, going to 4 years, no rent on 24 flats in a central area in Abuja. Imagine how much rent we've lost. Over 287 million tied down by some wicked Nigerians that they call themselves tenants. Can you see what we go through in this country? Is it good for investment? Can you stay abroad in someone's house for over 3 years and still be dragging him to all the courts in the world? Eniyan nika, ika leniyan. I'm in court now again for another case. Now court I did, so even see in front of our court. Is this normal?
So guys, we've had Mr. Fayose's side of the story, but unfortunately we cannot judge this issue now. Neither can we say anything in particular as per his case about the subject matter. Like, we cannot say anything because we've not heard from his tenant. We don't know whether he actually did bully them or threaten them or maybe try to use power to intimidate them. Can't tell for real, but the truth is, before any tenant will stand up and take his or her landlord to court, not just one tenant, about 25 of them, something really big must have transpired between them that Mr. Fayose did not bother bothered to mention. I'm not saying that the tenants were right to take him to court or to refuse to pay his rent for about good 3 years. That is actually not good, but we don't know what happened between them. Truth is, you cannot just sit in somebody's house for 3 years, about 25 of them, and they refuse to pay. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and wait for his tenant to come and tell their side of the story, since he has brought it online. Seriously, I'm suspecting that there must be a lawyer amidst them that is telling them, oh, let's take him to court. Before they finish this court case, he can't give us eviction, he cannot send us out of the house. You know, Nigerian judicial system, before you know it now, they will have adjourned the case for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So yay, it's a free rent season for us. You understand that kind of thing? Because it does not make any sense that landlord versus tenant dispute will stay for good 3 years before resolution. And according to him, it has not even been resolved yet. So in my opinion, Mr. Fayose has a very valid point that our judicial system is very weak and it permits a lot of irregularities. That is why I used to say that Nigerian constitution is the source of corruption in this country. Like, they cook that constitution with corruption at the back of their mind. Like, they embedded corruption in that constitution, particularly for the politician, because when you steal a lot of money, you use less than 1% of the sum you stole to bail yourself, you understand? But well, what can we say? We have to still abide by the law and work according to the provision of the law. So that is it from me, guys. Please let me know what you think about this in comment section. Let's keep our fingers crossed, hoping to hear from his tenants very soon. Thank you for watching this video this far. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly help me hit the subscribe button before you go. Please drop a like too before you go. Thank you once again and see you again next time. Bye for now.